Sehingga doktor cakap tak ada slot. I say I want anytime. Is that I just stand by for you. Okay, first day I see you punya promotion dekat TikTok, Instagram is what I interested datang sini sebab come here the doctor bagi explanation is very good, then I terus decide untuk buat. I nak buat rambut dah almost 2 years. I'm trying to survey quite a lot, tapi I think this doctor the best. The service very good, tak sakit. Expectation for sure, I'm like scared and sakit, right? Really only the sakit tu macam 1%, 2% only lah. The result untuk 2 bulan ini yang saya hadap sekarang ini very good and full. Okay, it's my real hair before. Sebelum I take medication dengan spray, not that much. The way we put implant one is okay because it's ongoing, right? For my original yang tak implant tu bertambah grow dan tebal dan sangat rapat rambut saya daripada sebelum ni. Maknanya tidak sahaja bergantung kepada tanam dan juga obat dan spray membuatkan saya sangat happy. Dan today also I buy another 4 set. Yeah, it's very good.
Ada orang tegur nampak lain.
Orang tak perasan ada rambut macam kena rambut.
Yeah, that is a natural look.
My process is good. It looks very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Siapa yang rasa nak tanam rambut boleh datang kat sini. I memang recommend datang lah. I'm really happy.